back to my channel. If you're interested in how I got this beautiful look with these seamless clip-ins, continue watching. Alright, so you guys, today's sponsor is by MaxFull Hair over on Amazon. They're a company that's committed to promoting simplicity and naturalness while also enhancing and highlighting the natural beauty of our natural hair. Guys, this company is so amazing. When I tell you, these clip-ins were super soft when I took it out the box. I was actually surprised about how full they were to be. I'm not exactly sure how many grams this hair is. I'm going to link it right here. But this hair was so full and it was so silky and I was super excited. So as you can see in this clip, I am just separating the clips. I forgot how many pieces there were, but there were quite a few pieces. I'm just separating the clips and putting them all together, and I'm just preparing my hair to do the styles. So I'm just installing the clip-ins. If you ever wore hair extensions before, you know that they are super easy to install. So what I did before I installed these clip-ins is I silk pressed my natural hair. You know, it's always best that you silk press your hair before installing your clip-ins because it just leaves a smooth, silky finish. Clip-ins are so comfortable to wear, guys. Like, it doesn't even feel like you have them in your hair. It's like so easy. You guys are gonna see at the end how flat it lays. Like, you know, if you like to wear sew-ins or if you like to wear lace wigs, try clip-ins because I'm telling you, you're probably gonna be addicted because it's so flat and it's like literally less damaging to your natural hair. You know, if you wear like tape-ins or something like that, clip-ins are less damaging to your hair than tape-ins, although I know a lot of girls like to wear tape-ins, but you know, clip-ins are just less damaging because all you do is just clip it in and clip it out. And then it's also easier to install and remove than, you know, any other style. And as you can see, I'm just installing it right now. And I'm going to show you guys 3 hairstyles. So it's very, very versatile. So if you guys are interested, or if you guys enjoying the video, please give this video a big thumbs up and just continue watching and see the hairstyles that I do. Thank you so much, MaxFull Hair, for sponsoring this video. I literally love these clip-ins, guys. Like, look how flat this is. This was literally the only piece that I did not use, and it just blended so well with my natural hair. And it is literally like so flat. As you guys can see, it was so easy to install. And you know, if you have thin hair, if you have thick hair, even like me, like my hair is like really full and thick, I would highly suggest you guys try these clip-ins. It curled so easily. Like, as you guys can see, it was no shedding, no tangling, and it's just like super lightweight. All of the information from MaxFull Hair will be in the description box below. Follow them on their social media. And yes, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please comment below more beauty videos you'd like to see from me. All right, guys, see you in my next one. Bye.